Difference between single-track, double-track and triple-track windows. Dear friends, sliding windows are designed with various track systems, and the choice between single-track, double-track, and triple-track systems depends on space, ventilation, and style needs. A single-track window has just one sliding rail, where generally one panel remains fixed while the other moves. It is the simplest and most affordable option, suitable for compact spaces such as kitchens or bathrooms, but it allows limited ventilation since only one panel can open. A double-track window, on the other hand, has two parallel rails that hold two or more panels, enabling both to slide past each other. This design offers better airflow, flexibility, and balance, making it a popular choice for bedrooms, living rooms, and medium-sized openings. For larger spaces, triple-track windows are preferred as they feature three parallel sliding rails that can hold three or more panels. These allow multiple panels to slide to one side, clearing up to 2/3 of the opening for maximum light and ventilation. They are often used in balconies, terraces, and wide window spaces, providing an elegant and modern look. In short, single-track windows are basic, double-track windows are versatile, and triple-track windows are premium solutions for large openings. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.